Needs identification, Shelby Gainous. Needs identification is the initial phase of the project lifecycle. It starts with the recognition of a need, problem, or opportunity that ends with the entrance of a request for proposal, RFP. Before a request for a proposal is prepared, the customer must clearly define the problem or need. Once the magnitude of the benefit or improvement has been estimated, the customer can determine the budget for a project to implement improvement. Project selection involves evaluating various needs or opportunities and then deciding which of these should move forward as a project to be implemented. The 4 steps to project selection is as followed. Develop a set of criteria against which the opportunity will be evaluated. These criteria will probably include both quantitative and qualitative factors. List assumptions that will be used as the basis for each opportunity. This means to come up with ways to make the project successful. Gather data and information for each opportunity to help ensure an intelligent decision regarding project selection. For example, it may be necessary to gather some preliminary financial estimates associated with each opportunity. Evaluate each opportunity against the criteria. Once all the data has been collected, analyzed, and summarized for each opportunity, it should be given to all the individuals who are responsible for performing the evaluation. The purpose for preparing a request for a proposal is to state comprehensively and in detail what is required for the customer's point of view to address the identified needed. An RFP must provide a statement of work, SOW. An SOW deals with the scope of the project, outlining the task or work elements for the customer wants the contractor or project team to perform. The RFP must include the customer requirements, which determine specifications and attributes. Requirements cover size, quantity, colors, weight, speed, and other physical or operation parameters the contractor's proposed solution must satisfy. The RFP should state what deliverables the customer expects the contractor or project team to provide. Deliverables are the tangible items that the contractor is to supply. The RFP should list any customer-supplied items, such as logos. The RFP might state the approvals required by the customer. Some RFPs mention the type of contact the customer intends to use. An RFP might state the payment terms the customer intends to use. The RFP should state the required schedule for completion for the project. The RFP should provide instructions for the format and content of the contractor's proposal. The RFP should indicate the due date by which the customer expects potential contractors to submit proposals. Once the RFP has been prepared, the customer solicits proposals by notifying potential contractors that the RFP is available. Another approach to soliciting potential contractors is for the customer to advertise in certain business newspapers that the RFP is available and give instructions on how interested contractors can obtain a copy.